Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How To Tutorials. In this video, I'm going to show how you can change your name on Wish. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Firstly, you'll have to open a web browser on your PC. Now on the top search bar, type www.wishwish.com. After you press the enter key, you'll be led to the official website of Wish. Here you'll have to make sure that you're already logged into your account. Now on the top right corner of your screen, you can see an icon with your first name initial on it. Click on it and you'll be led to your profile page. Similarly, on this page on the right side of the screen, you can see the edit profile button. Click on it, then you'll be led to your account settings. Now on this page, on the profile section, you can see the box for your first name and your last name. Remove your previous first name and enter the first name that you'd like to change into. Similarly, do the same under the last name box. After you've entered your new name, all you'll have to do is click on the Save Changes button and you'll be able to view this notification notifying that your profile has been updated. Now, if you click on the profile icon again, you can see that your name has been changed. So it is that simple to change your name on Wish. And if you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.